reveal to you how to make use of this app Todayp. Alright, welcome back to my channel Unspoken Inside. This is the first time that you come across this video. Please kindly hit the word. You heard me, the notification button. Yeah. As you hear the bell, just click it. This bell, just click the notification button. As you do so, God bless you. Alright, let's head over to my dashboard. How to make use of this app Todayp. Alright, people are using it to make money on YouTube. Today I'm going to help you. Yes, this video is for educational purpose. Yes, just watch the video to the end. How to make use of Todayp. Yes, how to make use of Todayp. Let's go back to my dashboard.
Reasons I decided not to use Pixar because of payment issues. So all you just have to do is head on to Adobe Firefly website and then the generative field. Then from there you can upload your photos and you just draw across the places you want changes, and then enter the prompt. Just shade carefully because you are still going to be cropping out a particular section of the picture. So then you write your prompt, maybe your home light, whatever. You just enter the kind of prompt you want, and then try to be as accurate as you can so that it can bring you nice stuff. So just enter your prompt. So wait for it to load, wait for it to give you your desired results, and then you can scroll through and then click for other lights. So I used this earlier. I got this when I used a different prompt, then got something else when I used another prompt. So now you go ahead and open CapCut and then import your footage, and the other one you got from the AI. So all you just have to do is just click the one from the AI and put it on there by clicking overlay, and stretch it through your video and make sure it's aligned properly. So that's just it basically. Then you just head on to max and then look for the rectangle max, and then just scale it and then adjust it properly over the lights. And then if you can't see anything, you can just click invert just for you to invert it. So you can just do a little bit of fade out to make it as natural as possible, and then voila, you're done. You already brought in the fake lights just like I did.
Alright, I hope that you enjoy this video on how to make use of Todayp. Alright, if you enjoy this video, you know what to do for this. Keep begging you, just like, share. Just share it for other people to see it. As I said, this video is for educational purpose, not for kids. Yeah, it's not made for kids. It's for educational purpose. Just share my video. That's all. Just share it. Yes, as you do so, God bless you. Have a nice day.
Thanks for watching Unspoken Insight. Like, comments, and subscribe.